It's almost the end of the year and we want to analyze our wardrobes. We want to analyze what we bought this year and how useful it was. You know, we are building our capsule wardrobe and we want to include essential items, essential pieces in that capsule wardrobe. So today we are going to declutter our capsule wardrobe. We are going to remove those pieces that weren't helpful or that we just wasted our money during this period, during this year. So if you're interested in this kind of video, let's dive into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum, namaste. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back to another video. On this channel, we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, tips and tricks on how to elevate yourself as a lady. And if you're interested in this kind of content, do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So guys, as I earlier said, today we are going to declutter our wardrobe. We are going to remove those pieces that weren't helpful. I'll be giving you items that you will regret buying. If you are intending to buy this outfit, you will regret buying it at the end of the day because it's not going to be helpful, it's not going to be useful at all. So let's begin with the first. And the first item you will regret buying are platform sneakers. I know platform sneakers look cute at first sight. Once you buy these platform sneakers, you are eager to wear them, you're eager to style them, but after you wear them that first day or the first 2 times, it's not just interesting at all. It's not just useful anymore. So if you're planning to buy platform sneakers, I will advise you to reconsider your decision. Buying a platform sneakers, you want to go in for simple, cute, elegant sneakers that you can be able to style easily. You can be able to pair with different outfits and it goes perfectly, right? Because we are building our capsule wardrobe. We want one piece that is going to serve the purpose. You don't want to buy something that at the end of the day is just going to occupy space in which you will not be able to style with different outfits. So platform sneakers, I think, for my own opinion, aren't worth it at all. Unless you're buying these platform sneakers to wear them just for 1-2 times, and that is just once it gets to the 3rd time, it becomes boring. And also these platform sneakers, you can't pair them with different kind of outfits, so at the end of the day you notice you just wasted your money for nothing. So let's move to the second outfit you will regret buying. The second outfit we have are overly trend prints such as zebra, cow. These overly trending outfits, they aren't worth it at all because once you wear them, it's like it's everywhere. It's like people are just used to seeing that. Okay, so this outfit, if you intend to buy them, at the end of the day, let me tell you, you're going to regret buying it because you might not even wear it up to 2 times because it's like it's everywhere. In my opinion, if you want to go in for a zebra or a cow print, you should better opt for a pleat or stripes. These are always classic and timeless. No matter the time, they are always classic. Once you put them on, you elevate your outfit. Once you put them on, your outfit looks good, it looks classy, it looks chic. So you want to opt for plate or stripes pattern. And now we are going to move to the next one. The next outfit you will regret buying are pattern leggings. These leggings just make you look cheap. I don't know how to emphasize on this, but once you wear them, it just makes you look cheap. First of all, these leggings are just too crowded with so many colors, with so many styles, with so many designs. It makes you look cheap. It makes your outfit look cheap. So you don't just want to go for patterns like this. You don't want to go for leggings like this. It is preferable you go in for a neutral leggings, neutral color leggings like black, nude. These colors are very good and they make you look classy. It makes you look elegant. So you want to opt for these colors. And now we are going to move to the next one. The next outfit you will regret buying are super high heels. I know super high heels are elegant, they are good. Once you wear them, it simply just turns your outfit to something else. But remember, wearing these super high heels and walking on the road isn't that easy as it looks. Once it's on your leg, yeah, it looks very good, it looks very classy, it looks very elegant, but move along with it, move around with it. That's when you're going to understand that it's not very easy. And at the end of the day, you notice these high heels are just stuck in the house because it's not very comfortable walking. You can't walk with them freely. So you notice you spend a whole lot of money to buy these high heels, and at the end of the day, they are just stuck there. you can't do anything with it. So you want to avoid things like that. It's preferable you go in for comfortable heels that you know you can be able to walk around with it comfortably. You can be able to style your outfit comfortably, and you're still going to look elegant. Trust me, you're still going to look chic. So you want to go for comfortable heels that you can be able to move around with. And now let's move to the next one. The next outfit you're going to regret buying are one occasion dresses. These occasion dresses might include bridesmaid dress. These occasion dresses might include bridesmaid dresses, this birthday photo shoot kind of dresses. You know, sometimes we want to go all out, we want to choose that flare, that Cinderella kind of dress for our birthday photo shoot. Yes, for that event it's perfect, it's going to serve the purpose perfectly. But after that, what next? You know, we want to choose our pieces for our capsule wardrobe, pieces that are going to help you style your outfits perfectly, right? So you don't want to go in for outfits that after maybe a particular event you might not be able to wear them. For a bridesmaid dress, it's quite understandable. At least it's a bridesmaid dress, right? It's quite understandable. But all those Cinderella dresses, where do you think you can be able to go to with those dresses? Which event can you attend with those kind of dresses? It's quite uncomfortable to even if there are events that you can go to with those outfits, but it will be quite uncomfortable. You understand? So it will be difficult for you to style those outfits. It will be difficult for you to wear those outfits to other occasions. So I think those outfits are just out of line. If you want to go in for a dress, you can go in for a cute, simple, elegant dress that you might be able to attend different occasions with these dresses easily. And yeah, that is it. So you want to avoid one-time occasion dresses. These are not worth it at all. And now let's move to the next one. The next one we have on our list are these trending pieces. You know, sometimes there are some outfits that just come out, they are trending during that period. Yes, during that period it looks good, it looks elegant, but after that, what next? You know, with this trendy outfit is that it will go out of fashion. Obviously, after some period of time, it's going to go out of fashion. So once it's out of fashion, it's like, what are you going to do with them? So you want to avoid this kind of dresses. And also, sometimes these trendy outfits might just be everywhere. Sometimes yourself, you're not comfortable to wear these outfits again because it's almost everywhere. Everyone is wearing these pieces. Everyone has these pieces. So you're just like, you're mixing in the crowd, right? You want to wear an outfit that once you step out, you stand out. Once you step into an occasion, you stand out in that occasion, right? So that's how we are building our capsule wardrobe, and including these trendy pieces is not going to help you at all. It's just going to be a waste of your money, because after the trending period, what are you going to do with those outfits? You're just going to keep them somewhere, and that's just wastage of money. So guys, that is it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Guys, that is it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.